Shut up and sit down.
Gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yeah, what have we got? We got some Grundstock thunderers for you this time, folks. So we'll get the knife of goodness out and cut the cellophane on this along there. Try not to cut through the tab. Oh, all me fingers. Yeah, that would help, because that would be a good start, wouldn't it? So let's get that all peeled off of there. And then we can have a looky-loo as to what we got in here. And this is a set of 5 Citadel miniatures, folks, as it says in the corner there. So let's have an opening. And these quite looky steampunk, and these will go with the old gun hauler. So yeah, and I reckon that we can have a little steampunk section on the Warhammer shelf, folks. And that's what we plan on doing, because I'll have all my orky stuff on one side and all my steampunky on the other. That's what we plan on doing. So these will go with this one, the Grundstock gun hauler that I got from Crimbo off the lovely H. So we'll have a little look as to what we got in the box there. So we'll just open that up, and we'll have a slidekins out of the box to see what we got there, peeps. So we got the pieces, and we got the instructions, and we got the bases. So first things first, let's have a little looky-loo at the destructions of goodness. And there's some evil looking geezers there with their big guns and blunderbusses and all of that. And usual instructions there, very concise, give you the various options that you've got for the figures there. You've got some guns, blunderbuss, yeah, and then obviously the different arms and legs that you can have on there, as well as the heads, big old sights for the guns, and the logos that they're carrying there. So yeah, looking rather suave, and there's again options of doing all the metallics on these, which is why I kind of selected this stuff, just so that I can learn that technique as well. So yeah, looking forward to doing these little fellas. And again, it just garners a bit of interest, you know. I can see me orc stuff building, and like I say, it's something just a little different, a little out there. And I blame this on the steampunk Gundam that I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to have a shelf of these fellas, and then obviously you've got a description of what they are and their abilities if you're playing the game, and a nice little colour picture there of some art. So yeah, got your paint call outs on the back there for your golds, your bases, and different coloured metals. So yeah, looking forward to having a play with these bad boys. Nice little set, that, a set of 5. And we'll have a looky-loo at the sprues, and as usual, really crisp detail on everything. I mean, look at the little engines and technology on there, the little steampunky type stuff, and the 5-barrel blunderbuss. Yeah, really are beautifully cast, or moulded, should we say. But yeah, and then you've got all the guns and everything. Just fold that and pop them apart. Look at that. But you've got all your different weapons, guns, and all of that lot. Loads of different little options, excuse me, that you can come up with. So yeah, really looking forward to having a play with these fellas. So yeah, really are beautifully made. And again, all the different little motors and canisters and things that are in there, it really does lend itself if you want to do a bit of steampunk and sort of different metal textures, coppers, brasses, golds and all of that lot, and then obviously you've got the coat of arms in there. So yeah, really nicely crisp little set of figures there. So yeah, decorate the bases, put a little bit of interest on them, and I think we'll be well away with those. Lovely little set. Again, all your call outs for all the paints that you need. Big thumbs up. Now, I'll move them to one side. We got another little chap just out of shop that we'll bring into shop. So we'll just pack these away before we bring him in. And get that all done and dusted. Like so. And then we can close that all up. Just like that. Yeah. And to go with them, we have got another little chap. And again, he's quite steampunky. And he is, just reach and grab him. He is the Endrinmaster with Dirigble suit, folks. So we'll just cut the cellophane on that, get that all out of the way, and then we can show you this little fella as well, and let you see what you think of him. Now he's going to go with these, and then obviously that'll all go with the gun hauler. Already you can see where we're going. He's a dude, and he's then got the big engines and all of that lot on his back. So yeah. So we'll just grab the bits for him out there, and then we can have a looky-loo at what we've got with this little chap. Just knock me camera there, why don't you, Cole? And have a look at what we got on the sprue, shall we? So, let's just grab the old instructions. And yeah, the usual figure there, arms, legs, etc. And then you've got his backpack with the dome and the big old propeller, and again loads of opportunity there for the brass, all the little copper sections and grabby claws and all of that. And then it gives you what he's got, missiles, weapons and everything for the game. Single sprue for this one. Nice compact little kit this, but you get hyper detail. All the knives, all the hatches, all the rivets and everything are all really crisply done. And I think the potential for this, again, for all your metallics is there to be seen. I mean, when you look at the photos on the front of the box and in the instructions, yeah, I think you can see for yourself that the vivid purples and colours are really there to be seen, folks. So nice little clear stand there for him to sit on, so you can pose him. We'll have a little bit of decoration on the base, nothing too spectacular, a few tufts of grass and a bit of gravel, because I want the focus to be on the dude of goodness, so that then we can enjoy the build with this. So we'll just bung that in the box. Leaves me just to say that if you want to support the channel, you can do so on Patreon, patreon.com/Festa67's workshop. You can like and subscribe to the channel, it's massively appreciated. And you can become a channel member by clicking the join button under any of my videos, including this one. All the links to the groups are in the description. But look at this. Oh, the potential for the golds, the coppers. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely going to have fun with this one again, peeps. So yeah, Crimbo has been a very good old Festakins. So be looking out for these on the live streams that I do with Fox, and then I'll do some painting videos for you all. Massive, massive, massive thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.